In troubled times, an inner sanctuary is more than a refuge, it's a source of strength and serenity. Picture a serene forest within your mind. Feel the tranquility, the stillness, the harmony, all abundantly present within this sanctuary. Now, consider your current situation. Visualize the crisis as a storm, stirring the peaceful forest, the winds challenging the sturdy trees, the roots. Breathe deeply. With every exhale, blow away the storm, strengthen the trees. See the chaos dissolve, leaving nothing but peace and harmony. Feel the forest return to its serene state. Feel the harmony radiating from it, seeping into your mind, your soul, your very being. Carry this inner sanctuary with you. Use it as a shield, a source of strength amidst any crisis. Remember, your mind holds an unshakable fortress, a sanctuary. In times of crisis, retreat here, cultivate harmony, and emerge stronger.